Exploration above and beyond, SpaceX's leap towards satellite internet revolution. Light pierces the darkness as SpaceX's latest rocket roars into the heavens, a symbol of progress and technological prowess. But this launch isn't just about spectacle or space tourism. Inside that rocket, satellites that could revolutionize the way we connect. These satellites are part of SpaceX's ambitious Starlink project. Its goal, to provide global internet coverage, even in the most remote corners of the world. In areas where traditional internet providers fall short, SpaceX's Starlink promises to bridge the digital divide, changing lives and economies. But satellite internet isn't without challenges. Concerns about space debris and astronomical interference persist, and SpaceX must address these responsibly. Yet, every launch nudges us closer to a future where the world, connected by SpaceX's satellite constellation, communicates without boundaries. Exploration above and beyond, indeed.